Here we go. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Supersonic Soundscapes Challenge. The three Sanook guys will be putting their ears to the test today. Each round, a sound from in and around Thailand will be played. The first to guess the sound correctly wins a point for that round. Round one. Scott?
The BTS.
Okay, that is incorrect. Anybody else like to chime in?
Can you play the game, please?
I'm going to play you the rest of the sound. Yvonne.
That's the MRT.
The MRT is the correct answer. The MRT is the correct answer.
Round two.
Because this one rocks. Scott?
Am I supposed to name the animal?
You should name the
But
animal.
let's.
Yes,
There also should be negative. There also should be negative points if you answer and get it wrong. Because what some people could do is just as it plays, they go and they're wrong, but they get first dibs, but they're getting it wrong.
That's why I had my
Spray
method
Scott,
of
spray
submitting
Scott.
your answers
Spray.
by line. I thought was
Spray.
clever.
Well, I didn't know I had to get the name of the animal, but I'm just saying that's it's a Thai-related bird, so probably a crow.
Okay. Now
Can you play it again so we can get the
incorrect, but you're very close.
That's correct, but you're very close.
Incorrect.
Damn, I don't have an idea what that is.
I'm gonna have a guess. It's
Okay, just to let you know, I will be giving credit for bird if nobody else can guess. the
Bird!
specific kind. But if nobody else can guess the specific kind of bird.
I say bird.
Right.
Well, no, that's
Well,
not
no, but you
fair.
can't do. Well, Scott
No,
already
but you
said
just
bird.
said. You know, he didn't say
Scott
bird.
already said bird.
He
I
didn't
some
say
kind of
bird. He
Thai
said
bird.
crow.
think-
He said crow.
Which is a type of bird.
Right.
No,
It's a
but you
type
didn't
of
say
bird.
the word bird. That's not your answer. Your answer
But
is
you
crow.
didn't answer until he said, I will go for bird.
And what's wrong
Really
with that?
fun.
I'm
He says
trying
you
to get points
I'm
for it.
trying to think of a name of. I don't know any birds.
Okay. Joel, do you want to try to name a specific bird that
No,
might
bird
be?
is.
Well,
you
if
said
that's
you're
the
giving
case,
points.
I'm giving
No,
Scott.
but wait, no, hold on.
Bird.
No.
Bird.
Now you're changing the tune. Now you're changing
Bird.
the
I
tune.
say bird.
You said you'll go.
I
Scott
said bird.
identified it as a crow, and a crow is a type of bird.
1 point for me, 1 point for
Okay.
you.
No,
If
but
none
hold
of
on.
you can name the specific bird, the point goes
You
to
just
Scott.
said I'm gonna give a point to bird.
Well,
So,
none of
no,
you
no,
can
no, but
name
this
the
is actually a
specific-
technical point. Which answer is more accurate? Which is closer to the answer? A crow or a bird? That's what you have to decide.
Well, I think crow would actually be more because it's in the same genus of this type of birds.
Okay, wait.
Okay, what was the answer?
Is it an eagle or falcon or like a?
Think more
a hawk.
specific to Southeast and Eastern Asia.
Indian myna.
You're very close.
How do you know? I don't know birds.
what is
I
the
don't
Think
answer?
about Koreans. They have a lot of mythology surrounding this bird. It's a very famous
Okay.
bird. It's a black bird with a white tail.
Raven.
No,
No.
you're very close.
Magpie.
It's in the same.
Magpie.
Magpie.
Woo!
Magpie.
Woo!
I don't know if that should be counting as points. What do you
Woo! It's a little late. Woo! Pretty flair.
guys think? I think I'm gonna null and void that round. I'm gonna make that. Let's see what it's on.
The next round.
Ah!
Well, it's everyone.
Oh, I got it.
I think that
Oh,
was
that
everyone.
it? Did you catch?
I think that
You
was
were
everyone
first.
together, to be honest. But who's gonna? You wanna go first, Scott?
Yes.
Okay.
Twitter.
Okay.
A Twitter notification.
Okay.
I have Facebook. A Facebook message.
I said Facebook Messenger too.
Yeah, the correct answer was Facebook.
Yeah!
Round 4.
That was
I think
close.
Scott squeaked in first.
I think that's favoritism.
It's,
That's
police
not
siren.
favoritism. Police siren? Okay, I'm gonna let you guys go for the guesses now. So Scott will take priority. Does anybody else want to take
So you're not giving right or wrong.
I'm not gonna give right or wrong until the end. I'll let everybody take it.
I'm gonna agree with Scott and say police siren.
Okay,
I
Yvonne?
didn't ding my bell. I think it's a police siren.
I
as well.
know, I know I said police siren, but I want to change my answer. I know I can't. It's a fire engineer.
Scott, you were correct. It's a fire engine.
Oh, but he was wrong at
Yeah, I was
first.
wrong anyway.
But give him a point. You know.
How
give
did
him
you
a-
realize that?
I'll give you a
It's
point.
just over time. It kind of
I didn't
sets
even
in.
realize. Okay.
Because you said police at the start.
So what do you guys think? Should Scott get points for this?
Nah.
No.
Okay. We're gonna call that a nil round. A nil round. Hey guys, are we ready for the next round?
You're scary.
Here's the next one.
Round 5.
What the hell that is?
I think I know. I think I'm gonna go for. Look, I might have.
Shoot it with a water gun.
No, I might have gone to. But I'm gonna say you have to give one answer, obviously.
Yeah, generally.
Could be anything. It could be a school assembly. It could be a microphone. I'm gonna go for a Buddhist temple.
Okay.
I was going to say a monk's sermon.
Okay.
I would say same. A Buddhist temple. I wanted to say Buddhist temple.
Let me play this a little longer for you guys.
Wait. So are we incorrect? So we know.
Yeah, those
Okay.
were all incorrect.
Okay, Nick. carry on.
Okay, well, yeah. So can we still give guesses?
Yeah. Let's go again. Next person.
A monster.
Very unusual sound.
I don't think I know.
Yeah.
Scott, do you want to go?
Is it you?
No.
Is it the people selling vegetables going around the neighborhood?
Round 6.
It's a.
Spray him with a water gun if it's wrong. Spray him. Kid, grab the water gun, spray him.
Is it a gecko?
It's a gecko. Very good
Oh.
job. Very good job.
Round 7.
Scott.
Muay Thai.
No.
No, but you see, I'll say it afterwards. Okay, carry on.
I'm gonna let Joel do because you.
I'm
already
going to say
played
it's a construction site.
Ooh.
No, not a construction site. Well, how about Yvonne? Yvonne, I haven't heard from you because Scott's already guessed and Joel's already guessed, so you're kind of the last beacon of hope.
I think it's someone making food.
Oh, Yvonne.
Did I get it?
Yeah.
Yes!
Yeah, that's the sound of somebody.
Round 8.
I like this one. I think Joel rang in first.
Mosquito.
That is a mosquito. Very good, Joel. You're-
Another round.
Okay, here we go.
Keep it
Okay,
going.
he banged.
No!
Yeah, because he didn't really even hear the sound that we're looking for
Oh,
here.
okay, well.
Nah, but
Okay,
you
I'm
lose
gonna
that.
let it play.
Okay.
It's
Elephant
not an
pop.
elephant.
That's a swarm of wasps.
That is not a swarm of wasps.
Can you play it? I've.
Oh, I know.
Oh, I know.
Okay, Scott, what do you think it is?
I know.
Because you're the only one who is not banged in.
Is it the car stuck in mud?
Chicken.
Nah, that's a cool guess. No, it's not. Does anybody? So that's
Is
it's
it-
a 0 point round.
No, well,
No.
can we each
What
have
do you
one
guys
more
think?
guess?
One more
Can we each
guess.
have one more guess?
Okay, all right. And I'm
Okay,
looking
you
at
wanna
the
go first,
host.
Scott?
I'll let you guess again. Oh. Yvonne, what did or
I'll give it. Should I give one?
Yeah.
I'll say it's a wild guess. It's a really strong gust of wind.
no, it is not. Yvonne,
Snake.
nice. You're very close.
Oh,
It is.
is it an alligator?
Yeah,
Alligator.
I think it could be.
It is.
A water monitor!
It is a water monitor. That's the hissing of a water monitor. Nobody gets points, but what a.
The final round.
Well, we all know what that is.
I think everybody probably rang at the same time. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.
A fart.
Everybody. The scores are:
Yeah.
one of you, lucky gentlemen, had 5.5 points.
He made long eye contact with me.
I'll be super bummed if it's
I
not me.
think it's me, man.
One of you, lucky gentlemen, had 5 points.
Oh, it's that close!
Shit.
One of you, lucky gentlemen, had 4.5 points.
See, these half points, I was never a fan of him. Anyway.
Gentlemen, your winner for today for the Coach Sanook Supersonic Soundscapes quiz is Yvonne with 5.5 points. In second place is Joel with 5 points. And our loser today
need 5.5?
is Sweet Scott with
Get the makeup.
4.5 points.
I am good. Yes.
And Scott was the big loser today, and his punishment was a makeover. As you can see, we applied some lovely makeup to his face, some bright red lipstick, and some black eyeliner. Does he look more beautiful now? I'll let you decide. He's gone from handsome Scott to beautiful Scottisha. He does look more beautiful indeed. So thank you so much for watching. This was
Codes and Nooks.
See you next time.